our house tour. Welcome to our residence. It's proper lovely, you see. 37 Montague Street, home for Tamara and me. The year is 2015. Late November's crisp air is nipping at our noses, albeit the atmosphere inside is as warm as a summer of roses. I'm Peter, 5 years old and notoriously loquacious. That means I talk a lot. While Tamara, who's 3, is the best brother I've got. Look at our semi-detached Bellway dwelling, nestled in Basildon's heart, where the festive spirit is sorted and ready to start. The sun is a pale lemon drop in the SS-14 sky, and the neighborhood is buzzing as the December days draw nigh. Step through the threshold, mind the mat, it's all sorted and clean. Our dad, Sia, is the kindest man you've ever seen. Namaste, he exclaims, with a grin that's ecstatic and bright, welcoming you into our hallway of soft, glowing light. The vestibule is spacious, a polished expanse that's never precarious, making our entrance feel grand and multifariously hilarious. Sia's medium brown skin glows against the hallway's cream hue as he takes your coat and says, "Cheers, mate, how are you?" The floor is a mirror, reflecting the joy of our domestic domain, protecting us all from the cold Essex rain. Behold the living room. It's a sublime, kaleidoscopic dream where Indian and Welsh treasures form a cultural team. Our mum, Opal, hails from Cardiff. She's the apple of our eye. With her glasses and fake fringe, she's a proper stylish spy. She points to the mantel where a golden Ganesh sits tall, next to a red Welsh dragon, the fiercest of them all. Croeso, she whispers, a Welsh welcome so sweet, combined with Hindi charms to make the room complete. The sibilance of the crackling fire is a soothing song, telling us this is exactly where we belong. Being loquacious is my talent, my precious verbal gift. I can explain every trinket and give your spirits a lift. The vibe in this chamber won't exacerbate your stress. It's like a warm hug in a colorful silken dress. Look at the samosas and mince pies on the plate, a culinary fusion that's notoriously great. The sweet smell of cinnamon dances with spicy cumin in the air, creating a sensory symphony beyond any compare. Tamara is eager, his eyes wide and round, as he waits for a treat to be finally found. It's an oxymoron of flavors, both spicy and sweet, a Basildon banquet that's a proper big treat. Witness the Christmas tree, a sparkling, towering spire, lit with more twinkles than a festive forest fire. Opal is adjusting a bauble with a focused, gentle grace, her spectacles reflecting every light in the place. Beautiful, in it? She asks with a Cardiff-flunked tone, as she hangs up a star she's spectacularly grown. The tree is a personified giant, guarding the gifts, while the scent of fresh pine through the living room drifts. I help her with tinsel, a silver snake in my hand, making our lounge the most festive in all of the land. Observe the kitchen now, where the magic is truly found, where integrated appliances make a rhythmic whirring sound. The oven is sleek, and the dishwasher is hidden away, ensuring our chores don't get in the way of our play. Shia is busy, moving with a purposeful culinary stride, showing Tamara where the secret spice jars all hide. It isn't cumbersome or hard for us to navigate this space. It's the heart of the home, a most precious, polished place. Bahut acha, Dad says, checking the hob with a wink, while the glasses all sparkle above the white sink. Sizzle and pop. Hear the cacophony start. Cooking for the family is a labor of the heart. Kanati yarhe, Dad shouts, his voice full of glee, as he prepares a feast for Tamara, Mum, and me. I help him fetch spoons, feeling proper grown-up and tall, while the steam creates ghosts on the window and wall. The pathetic fallacy of the gray clouds outside is ignored, for inside this kitchen, nobody is bored. We're ecstatic and hungry, a loquacious duo of boys, adding our laughter to the kitchen's sweet noise. Through the back door we dash, to the garden so wide, where the crisp Essex air meets our exhilarated pride. The garden is expansive, with a trampoline of fame, where avoiding the gadgets is our favorite game. No tablets or screens, just the bounce and the air, as we jump like we're flying without any care. I'm the king of the castle, I cry to the sky, as the Basildon birds go fluttering by. We're in mid-air elation, a brotherly flight, jumping away until the onset of night. The trampoline springs sing a metallic rhythmic song, while the November grass grows sturdy and strong. Opal stands on the patio, wearing a thick knitted shawl, watching her two boys having a festive-themed ball. Dim gadgets, boys. Use your muscles instead. She calls out with a smile and a nod of her head. The contrast is sharp between the cold garden air and the warmth of the house that is waiting in there. Tamara is breathless, his cheeks glowing red, thinking of the samosas and the fun still ahead. Now follow us back and ascend the tall stairs, moving past the family photos and the soft hallway chairs. The climb isn't precarious, it's sturdy and wide, with me and Tamara as your personal guide. These stairs are a mountain, a timber-framed peak, where we play hide and seek and we quietly sneak. Peter leads the way with a loquacious command, while Tamara follows, holding the banister's hand. 3 double bedrooms are waiting for us at the top, where the energy of our house tour never will stop. Here is the parents' room, posh and serene, with the tidiest bed that you've ever seen. It has an ensuite, a proper lovely little gem, a private oasis, just for Dad and for Mem. Opal shows me the tiles, so shiny and white, reflecting the moon in the middle of the night. Borda, she'll say when the morning is new, as the light filters in with a sparkling view. It's a room of tranquility, albeit quite grand, the most peaceful place in this Montague land. This room was a bedroom, but now it's for play, a converted space where we spend half the day. There's a cacophony of blocks, of trains, and of toys, designed for the whims of 2 loquacious boys. Sia sits on the rug, helping Tamara build high, a tower of plastic that reaches the sky. We avoid the electronics, the screens, and the glare, finding adventure in the objects we share. It's a room of imagination, of sorted-out fun, where our creative battles are daily won. In our own room, the bunk beds are wooden and grand, like a 2-story fortress in a magical land. I sleep on the top, I'm the master of height, while Tamara stays cozy and tucked in below for the night. We've got soft, fluffy duvets and pillows so deep, where we sink into dreams and a long, heavy sleep. It's our favorite place when the day is all through, the best double bedroom for a brotherly 2. I can see the whole room from my high wooden perch, the end of our house-touring long-winded search. As the stars start to peep through the Basildon sky, Dad sits by the bed as the evening goes by. He opens a book, his voice low and deep, as he guides us both slowly toward a long sleep. Shukriya, Tamara says. Diolch, says our dad, reading stories of adventures we've never yet had. The room is an island of warmth and of light against the cold shadows of the Essex night. I listen to the words, my loquaciousness stilled, as my heart with the magic of stories is filled. From our window, we see the leisure park glow, where the lights of Basildon put on a show. Festival Leisure Park is shining so bright, a beacon of neon in the late autumn night. Opal stands with Tamara, pointing out to the street, where neighbors and friends are all proper lovely to meet. It's a diverse location, a vibrant, grand place, reflected in the joy on my brother's small face. The wind outside whistles, a cold, wintry sigh, as the clouds of November go wandering by. Our tour is now over. We've shown you our home, from the roof at the top to the garden's soft loam. You are the apple of my eye, my brother so dear. I'm so glad that we live with our family here. Give us a CWTCH, a Welsh hug, tight and true, at 37 Montague Street. We say cheers to you. The house is now quiet. The Christmas tree glows as the peace of the Oliveras finally grows. Goodbye to our tour. It's been proper grand, the best little life in this Essex land.